guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport. This one's got 43,000 miles on it. It's a one owner. I know the first owner personally, right here in Houston, Texas. Got the 22-inch wheels. It's raven black with the whisper beige interior, which leans more on the white side. Pretty rare actually. Most of these are black on black. This is a two-wheel drive model. It's got the rear seat entertainment, heads-up display. It's got the pano sunroof, 360 camera, all the nice standard equipment, adaptive cruise control. It's got the Onyx blacked out. Really nice truck here. These do come with, they've extended the warranty on these to 10 years or 150,000 miles. So the expiration on this one would be 2031 from GM. That's a drivetrain warranty. So 2031 or 150,000 miles. That's a really good deal for the next owner. Really nice truck, non-smoker. We've got 2 key fobs. Got all the books. Got the window sticker, clean Carfax, clean title in hand. Take a look at the interior here. Got the AKG sound system. Tow package there. 42,926 miles to be exact. Pano roof. Real nice. Take a look at the back seat. Of course, it does have the buckets, captain's chairs, and your screens. You can run Wi-Fi on those, Netflix, YouTube, navigation. Very nice and clean. We can work with your lender. If you've got your own lender, cash deals are easy. We can ship it to you anywhere in the country, either enclosed or on an open trailer. We can do the whole deal via text message or email. Very easy to work with here. You can find us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here. We do walk around videos and all the cars we're selling. We do videos of cars we've got coming down the pipeline as well. Give me a call, text, email. I really hope to hear from you soon. Make it real easy for you.